Hey guys! Welcome back to Mama Kwatang's channel. For today's video ay gagawa tayo ng Ube Turon with cheese and Ube Turon with Langka. Or we can call it the banana roll with purple yam and cheese, or the banana roll with purple yam and jackfruit. But before anything else, please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Kwatang's channel. Guys, I would like to shout out sa mga red alert sa mga new vlogs natin, especially sa previous vlog na chika lang. So, ang nag-comment, 4, Mary Rose Cades, Neil Capaccio, Alvin Montesa, and Joy Swish. Para updated kayo sa mga latest vlog natin, please subscribe and click the bell button para notified kayo sa mga latest vlog natin. So, are you excited? Let's go! Yes, luto na ang ating Ube Turon with cheese. Yung dito sa sides, yung may cheese. At saka yung in the middle, ito yung ating Ube Turon with langka. So, ang dali lang guys. So easy. So, we can call this the banana roll with the purple yam and cheese. And the banana roll with purple yam and jackfruit. So, you can try this for your family. So, by the way, again, gusto kong pasalamatan ang 4 na talagang nag-comment doon sa previous vlog natin na chika lang. Okay, si Mary Rose Cades, Neil Capasio, Alvin Montesa, and Joy Swish. Thank you so much sa mga pa-comment ninyo. And then, sa lahat ng mga kababayan ko dyan, all over the world, sa Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, sa lahat-lahat ng mga OFW o hindi man OFW, ingat kayo palagi, and then I will encourage each one to continue to pray for the whole world for love, peace, and unity. And especially, pray natin na meron na tayong vaccine for the COVID-19 sa virus para maging mabalik na tayo sa normal nating pamumuhay. Okay, and the most important part is the tasting time. So, ayan. So, as I said earlier, dito sa sides yung may cheese. And dito sa center is with the jackfruit. Okay? Taste. Unahan natin ang may cheese. Oh. Sarap. And then now, ang with jackfruit. Naku, medyo mainit pa. Karog-karog mo mag-amoy. Hawa na! Masarap guys ang yung nilagyan natin din ng cheese. Kasi yung cheese medyo maalat, di ba? So talagang mag-blend yung lasa ng purple yam, ng ube, saging, at saka cheese, at saka yung nilagyan natin ng konting brown sugar. Kaya talagang perfect. So, at ito naman, yung merong langka, para sa akin guys, parehong masarap. Pero, masarap din itong may langka. Sarap. So, nasa inyo na guys kung ano yung preferred na gusto ninyong filling for the turon. Gusto ninyong with cheese or gusto ninyong with the langka or the jackfruit. Okay. So, guys, that's all for this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Quatag's channel. Bye for now. God bless you. I love you guys.